You must know these 3 Chrome extensions in 2025. So in this video, I will tell you how you can use your computer in picture-in-picture mode and convert your WhatsApp into a professional WhatsApp. The extension in last is for e-commerce people, which can be very helpful for them. After watching this video, I am sure that your creativity will go to the next level. So let's start the video. Our first extension is called the picture-in-picture extension. So first we have to go to the Chrome Web Store. Here we have to search for the picture-in-picture extension. You can see this extension here, you just have to download it. So now I'll open YouTube and show you how you can use this extension. Okay, so I click on this extension and you can see here that my video has been converted to picture-in-picture mode. This video will keep showing you no matter how many tabs you open. So that was our first extension. Now we move on to our second extension. And the name of this extension is WA Web Plus for WhatsApp. I am searching for WA Web Plus for WhatsApp here. You can see here I'm clicking on the first extension. From here, I add it to my WhatsApp web. You can see that this extension has been added to my WhatsApp web. Now I will take you to my WhatsApp web and tell you how to use it. First, I click on the extension and you can see how many options they have given here. You can customize your WhatsApp with the help of these options. They also offer their own pay plan that includes business tools. You can check it later. This extension will convert your WhatsApp to Pro WhatsApp. Our third and last extension is Text Blaze. This extension is specially developed for business owners and e-commerce businesses. I do Text Blaze search, and this is the extension I need to add to my Chrome. This is the interface of the Text Blaze, and I create a new snippet from here. From here, I can choose my own label that will describe my snippet. From here, I chose my shortcut, the shortcut that I have to insert for my message. And here I have to paste my message that I want to send. You can also customize your text from here. Now I'll show you how to do it practically. Here I type my shortcut that I created. And here, typing that shortcut has added the text that I created in the Text Blaze. You can save a lot of time by using this method. I have provided the link to these 3 extensions in the description. You can easily go and check them out.